Yo, what's up, PumpTown and friends? Happy FOMC. There we go. Happy FOMC, everybody. Yes, long time no see. Long time no FOMC. What are we looking for here? Well, we came and stabbed into some minor sell side liquidity here. It's kind of a money printer. Now, I don't trust it. I think this thing is gonna do a little more damage here. It all do. I'd really like to see it down in the purple area. It took me a minute to get the stream going. My stream key was broken or something. I don't know, but you guys couldn't see me. Make sure, well, not make sure, I mean, you could if you wanted to. Go and click the like button on Crypto Lifer's stream. This is my homie. Give him some likes. $230, we're going to see some real violence. And I'm aiming for up here. Now, do we get it? I don't know, man. I don't know. But it's going to be fun. Hey, CoFund007. Thanks, bro. Your PFP is awesome, too. Like, honk honk. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here hanging out either, so thank you. We could just keep tanking. We could definitely keep tanking. I have no idea, but I do want to see it go up. But we could just launch so bad to the downside. It's not even funny. Like 20,631.50. So quite a bit. 800 handles. Hey, what's up, Omar? Good morning, Step Pepper. Oh, the spread on Bitcoin right now is like wild. Nice, man. You did a short. Attaboy. Yeah, she is printing. It's short real hard here, and it's just hit the 786. So it either stops here and turns around, or it snaps real bad. Oh, there it is. There's a snappy poo. That's what I want to see NASDAQ do. Right there, so I just bought Bitcoin. I can't set a stop loss. There we go. Oh, I love buying spooky red candles. Ooh, nice. Ooh, I love learning. Yes, those are gunshots. Yeah, buddy. Oh, here goes another one. Here goes another one. Ooh. The movement on MT5 is so much cleaner than TradingView. It came in with like $50 on my stop loss. Oh, $10. Stopped out. Now, do I buy my own stop or do I just chill out? I'm definitely asking you guys. Let's do a poll. Oh, I ruined it. Well, N obviously means no. Unless you're a racist. What's the question? There's no question. It's just yes or no, dude. Just kind of gauge the energy in the room. Oh, look, I bought my own stop and it's ripping. I wonder if it keeps going. Oh, there's Sammy. Wee. As soon as we bought him, Sammy's like, yeah, let's go. That's hilarious. And it might still dump, who knows. But I don't know. Not yet. BTC. Bitcoin. It actually ran into a pool of liquidity, so what was I going to do? Just sit there? Stats, you got to use Trust Me Bro in macro direction. I know what you mean, the relative equal lows there, I get it. But the Trust Me Bro comes from the higher time frames bullying the lower time frames. As a matter of fact, if you go and look at the bear market low in 22, you're going to see Trust Me Bro support get railroaded. And that was what they called the FTX collapse. And then it launched from there. That was the last Trust Me Bro support we had. But that Trust Me Bro resistance, that's because the higher time frame trend is up. And everybody wants to catch a top. And they're all saying, trust me, bro, it's the top. Too funny. Yeah, we'll see. I just like buying spooky red candles. I don't care if I get stopped out. What do you do? I lose a couple $100. Ooh. Who's that? Who's that? Sniper Meow? What's up, buddy? Oh, another one. Another one. And another one. Oh my gosh, this is so hot. Oh my gosh, everybody's going to be so hooked on the selling pressure. Oh yeah. I love when it does this. You guys have no idea. Hey, what's up, buddy? Like, if you roll with me, just go to your 15-minute time frame and pull fibs. Like, you know exactly what time it is, and it's coming up. Oh, I see. My computer's like slowing down or something. But I'm not engaging until we get in here. And puppy, we got 10 more minutes till 2:30 till the fun begins. I'm gonna laugh if Bitcoin at 2:30 just snaps right to 108K. Man, that'd be funny. Everybody's dooming. Like everybody's dooming. No, never. No. FOMC and Fed folders are up for grabs. I would never stream during his regular streams, but I have students to teach too. Hey, what's up, Shawshank? You're welcome. You know, yeah. Sam seems to think it's gonna go lower. I could see it. What price point is that? Holy, he's saying like 91K. Unbelievable. That would be a $10,000 drop. Buckle up. Competing with Lifer is hilarious. I'm live with you guys and watching him at the same time. Are you not watching him at the same time? I'm nervous. The buyers need to come in now. You're awesome. Yeah. 8 minutes. Yeah, we're just waiting for the violence here on NASDAQ. It's same as Bitcoin. We want to see something like that and a pool liquidity breach. See, the stops have just been rated. Like a $10,000 drop is kind of like pushing it. And I'm not saying it can't do that. I would laugh if it did. Or an $8,000 drop. It doesn't matter how freaking hard it drops. I'm going to buy every pool of liquidity until it goes back up. Hey, what's up, Sam? What's up, Sam? You see, he just said bear trap. It just did the model right there. Oh, yeah. I'm 15 seconds not playing ball here yet. Still looks like poop. you just watch Sam for now. We're just waiting for this honkler dip coming to come here, maybe, or a nice snapshot up, and then we can buy like. We need order flow to engage, man. So until then, we're just sitting ducks. Not us, the other guys. I guess they're sitting ducks. What's ETH doing? Oh my gosh, ETH died. Last chance. I swear Pulse Chain is just robbing all the liquidity. This is where I start to get sweaty palms. This is where I'm like, wow, here it goes. I'm not even spending brain cells on this. You're hilarious. 101,229. And then I want to see it rip. Two manitos. Nothing but sitting frogs. Yeah. Okay, in like 5 seconds, I want to see it start fluttering, gyrating. Right here. Do the thing. Yeah, do it. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna raid everybody. Oh, man. It's funny when you can see it coming. Just waiting here. 3, 2, 1, go. Pew. Wow, that was lame. That was the most disappointing ever. Where's the flashy snap? All right then. Boo. Hey, look, Bitcoin's ripping. Dang, where's my stop hunt, Captain Edge? What'd you do? Passed an eval on that. Well, that was really lame. Bitcoin was way more fun. Put a stop order above the 229 candle and let her rip. You're awesome, bro. No, I want to make damn sure that this candle does what it's supposed to do before I engage. Because I don't like when it doesn't dig, bro. I'll be real with you. Because it could. It could snap down right at 3 o'clock or 3:23. Yeah, it's annoying, but whatever. Like right now, I would love to take this little setup here, but I'm not going to. 5 minute hasn't even closed yet. It could just come up for shorts and then go down and then want to go back up. That's the game you play. That's why I wait for the dip. You'll learn eventually, man. Everybody here, everybody, you'll learn. You'll learn why I don't just get in just because. But if order flow shows that it's engaging, then great. Bitcoin actually dipped into liquidity, so that's why I was buying. NASDAQ did not. And so far, I'm up 2R on Bitcoin. Well, 1R. I lost one. So, still up. I mean, this is kind of the 2022 model, but it's just not where I want to see it. So, give it the finger. You have liquidity at 1,000. 741. See, you are a Jew too. Don't label me, man. Why are you going to be labeling me? I guarantee you it touched the 786 somewhere, man. You just got to hunt it. Check out the 5 minute. Nah, if you pull from the order block, it did hit the 786 if I freaking cherry pick it. But you're right. But it's still a discount, homie. Like, when you're taking orders, let this be a lesson. You want to make dang sure that you get a fill if you're setting limit orders. So front run your entry a little bit. Try not to be too perfect. Crypto's kind of lame. You know, like, it's not perfect. Not like we see it in other stuff. You got to allow for some wiggle room. See, and this is why I would not engage with this puppy. You know, I want to, even though the 5 minute did get a nice close above, just give it the finger. Because I want to see it eat people before it goes up. If it goes up, it might not do nothing. Max pain would just be that it does nothing. Just stays in this range between that low and that high. It just stays in here for the rest of the afternoon. And then nighttime trading comes and it just goes right up to targets. I was anticipating a little more violence, to be real with you. This is rather disappointing. So I don't mind that rejection back down that one little second dig into sell side here. I don't mind that. Okay, right at the last bit of this cycle. Let's see where it closes. Because once it sweeps buy side liquidity here, we want to see if it's got the willingness to want to come snap up and close above and touch this candle here. We just want to see a touch. Typically, it'll be in the last minute. Yeah, okay. Let's see if it's got a willingness to reach right up into this buy side pool here. If it does that, it would show me that it's engaged with sell side liquidity and it could want to get going, just like Bitcoin just now. I want to see it leave a fair value gap here, or I'm losing interest. See how it's not doing it? A lot can happen in 15 seconds. man, it's whatever. It did peak. If it touches this wick here, I wouldn't be too interested. If it doesn't leave a fair value gap, that would suck. Oh, look at Bitcoin's flipping out. Unbelievable. Press F to pay respects to the shorts on Bitcoin. Told you so. It's funny, you look at people who have no idea what these Fed folders do in comparison to people who have a clue. And yeah, price is probably going to rip up to the FOMC targets that I had for you guys in the group. Trading group, cryptolifer.com. Come check us out. I'm exclusive there, and you're not going to find me anywhere else. And just to rub it in, that's the level I gave the trading group before, well, at the beginning of the week. And there it is. So come check us out. CryptoLifer.com. So this thing is leaving without me, which is kind of cool. We've hit the wickless candle here. My targets for NASDAQ are practically the same as Bitcoin. Now we've hit the idiot box high, great. And, you know, does it have the willingness to want to flip out all the way to the gap today? Man, that would be hilarious. That would be hilarious. So I kind of want a 1 and a 5 minute time frame today. Price is moving really nice. Cool. So now that this has taken liquidity from buy side, it's engaging longs right now. So we're going to wait for a little retracement here. Man, I want a 15-minute too. Fine. Same with Bitcoin. Don't go chasing breakouts today. You either know how to buy red and pay yourself, or you're forever going to be wrecked and you're never going to make money. Take you a year to go to hard work to get a good feel for the market. In a year or two, and now is when I'm funded getting payouts. Louis Prez. Hey, what's up, brother? One of my homies that left the nest, he was one of my first to leave the nest. You took the skills, you went on your own, and now you're kicking butt a whole entire year later. Like, you and others like you are a shot. Like, you make me want to keep going, dude. Like, you make me excited about taking on a role like this. I told you guys I was going full port into teaching this year. And when I see you guys doing good way later, it's just so fulfilling. Thank you. Yuck. Anyone else know why old coffee tastes like butthole? Hold on. So we got what could be a bullish breaker here. And I don't really trust it. Can I have coffee, please? Thank you. I don't really trust it. It's Fed day. But I don't know. We'll see. This is where your patience game comes in. You know, especially if you're like, oh, I'm live trading. Everybody's watching me. Bro, I just had a sip of like hours old coffee. It's disgusting. Yeah, refine that breaker in the 5 minute. And if it makes a fair value gap in here, oof. I mean, it's already made one in here and used it. I'll give it maybe a few more minutes. Sending a screenshot of my wicked buy into the Discord on BTC. So if you're not in the Discord, it's pretty fun. Not gonna lie. Very nice, very nice. So we've closed above here. I'm gonna take a shot, but I'm gonna go in with one. And if the order flow remains decent, I will bought that down close candle on top of this one. Now, if order flow remains decent, I'll grab another one. So very tight stop. It should if it's this is why I don't like grabbing it, because it could want to take this, and typically I want to do this in the 5 minute, but I'm going to give it its opportunity here. And because we're just nearing that macro right now. So I don't mind taking a tiny little stop if it does it. I should have waited one more minute. No. Why does it need to be in everyone? Weird. It turned them all off. That one got me. Weird, it turned all the positions off. to see it just dab into here just a little bit. There's still lots of time in this 5-minute candle to get into that gap, so. And if it runs without me, so what? If it takes this swing high here, I'll move my limit order right there. It's weird trading live for public. I don't know why. I find it difficult. Too much pressure on myself because my brain's really high strung. I've been trying to ease into it. It's not easy. It's just like when you first go from demo to live trading. Like, what's different? Nothing. Your brain. Don't have a clue, bro. But I'll tell you this much, if it wanted to run up here really violently, the order flow would have just stayed good. But it's doing something for a reason here. So I'm just going to let it do what it's doing. Yeah, man, you're welcome. And think about it, if I gave myself 2 more ticks and stop, that might have been good. And showing you guys how to lose properly is my biggest goal. Because that's where every single one of you are screwing it up. Man, that's not convincing at all. Like I said, we had to take the high. We didn't take the high for me to move my limit up. Yeah, that's dumb. I don't like it. It's going to stay there. So Bitcoin's battling with a bearish 786 right now. And some chop in that balanced range from last week. So if it's going to snap up, it's going to be so violent and funny. It's going to snap up just the way it snapped down. Boom. Oh, I'm triggered in. Yay. I want to see it run out those up close candles. Just with some really hardcore gusto here within the next 12 minutes. Hey D-Best, what's up? What's up? Please yell at me louder so I can understand. Buddy, I know you don't think what you're doing right now has a lot of value because you have nothing to measure. You can't really, there's no instrument that can measure success other than the fruit of your labor, right? So you're not trying to measure success and failure right now, bro. Like, your mindset is in a state of, I want to be here. I should be here. I can't wait to be here. Right? You got to bring your state of mind to a state of reality that is realistic for you as an individual. You're very young. You found some really trippy people on the internet. Somehow, some way, you're here hanging out. And right now, all this experience that you're gathering is going to make you a fortune in the future, bro. Like, you might not be able to measure it now, and it doesn't feel like you're getting anywhere. But come this summer, when you actually have some free time on your hands, bro, you're going to be going, oh yeah, this is why I don't trade. This is why I trade. See, you just think that trading is all about you just hopping into the charts and finding a model. It's not. And not even close, bro. Not even close. And you've realized this just hanging out with me the last few months. Why does it suck? Why is it so nice now? Why was today's money printer so fabulous? Why was yesterday's so fabulous? Why did it suck the week before so hard that everybody wanted to quit last week? Everybody was just dooming last week. It was hilarious. And I'm like, just chill out. The markets aren't always top rank. You want to trade, this is trading. So don't fight it. Just learn how to play the game. And yeah, man. And then how about next summer? Have you even thought about the summer from now, or when the summer for when you're 25? Like, you're going to be so ballin', dude. By the time you hit your prime, you're going to be just absolutely phenomenal, dude. Just stay away from drugs and don't drink. Drinking's for losers. Sorry, I didn't mean to call anybody a loser. I don't drink personally, and I should have been nicer about that. Sorry. I know there's some drinkers, and I'm sorry. And now I'm going to lose my trade because I said that. Man, I wish this kid's freaking 18, man. Younger. He's younger. You're like 14, dude. You just turned 15 or something. Sorry, I didn't mean to single you out. Not sorry. This kid's just a gem. Tell ya. Look out. Isn't Mary Jane a drug? Isn't drinking wine every day alcoholism? Teach him to front run his exits. He knows dang well he's supposed to front run his exits. What's up, Ralph? You're funny. Come on, Dad. I don't want very much. Just give me a little. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I wanted proof that we dug into the cell stops, and it looks pretty provy. So now we've got this 15-minute. I know you guys are annoyed that I'm not in the 1 minute. I could feel it. You're just like, what are you doing? Go to the 1 minute. No. We're going to sit here and you're going to watch the 15-minute time frame play out. What happens after the roller coaster goes up? Well, it doesn't stop going up. It just keeps going up, and it goes up forever and ever, and it never stops. It's called eternity. Hallelujah. Hey, it could have hit that earlier and just ripped, but whatever. I told you guys it could dump in my face. Don't copy trade me. Trump tariff statements move prices. Powell meetings. No. I don't think anything Trump said had anything to do with it. As a matter of fact, I would go one step further and say it doesn't matter who was talking or who had a news. As soon as the market moves, you're looking into the news for some relationship for why it moved. That's not why it moved, dude. It's moving because there's liquidity in the market for the market makers to rob. That's what's really going on here. It doesn't matter who's talking. It didn't matter if Biden was in as president. NASDAQ still made an all-time high while the economy crumbles. So, none of that matters, dude. You can prove it to yourself. Yeah. It sounds like a headline from a Jim Cramer firm or something. Trump tariff statements moves price as Powell meetings. It's too perfect. And look at, there's liquidity in the market. It's me. It's me. There was no way I was up 259 ticks. Yeah, that's better. I was like, I would have taken that. Did you short Starbucks? No. No, I got better things to do. Like lose trades on the live stream. Booyah. Maybe I get lucky and the candle gods kick in here. Let me call my dad. Yo, Dad, I'm on the live. Can you make this go up? I'm looking really stupid right now. Thanks, buddy. Well, we got 8 minutes till this candle closes. Guess what I'm doing? Can you take a wild guess? Going for a smoke. Sweet. Sweet. Come on, Silver Bullet. 47 people? Wow, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate it. The doll music, that's my son playing his toys. I'm waiting for this baby to show up. Is that an ice cream truck? It's a book with a bunch of songs, like one of those electronic books. Hey, Mid. Hi, buddy. Nice to see you. You should change your YouTube stuff so we can recognize you. You see how I'm not in the 1 minute and not every fluctuation in price has an effect on me? I just couldn't give a crap what the 1 minute is doing. I wanted to see the 15-minute model play out. No, I executed in the 5 minute, but I'm playing the 15. It's my OG name. Yeah, you're a lifer now. You got Pepe going on. You got upgrades now, bro. I have no idea what you're doing. Well, I'm long on NQ, and my target's the middle of that blue box. Well, that's my take profit. My target's way above the market, like miles. I thought it was going to be really violent today, and nope. It could be done and not do a dang thing from here, too. Just chop up everybody all friggin' afternoon. I've seen it. Hey, Void. There you go, Crypto Void. Okay, I see it. Yeah. Change your YouTube profiles. We still got Friday. We do. And tomorrow. Unemployment claims. Wait, we can do that? Captain Edge, you're so funny, man. You spend so much time in the wrong places that you're missing the boat, buddy. You're trading too much. You're going too hard. You're trading when you shouldn't be. You're executing when you shouldn't be. You're sending me things. You're breaking the rules. Chill out, man. You'll know. If you were paying attention, you know exactly when you should be engaging for unemployment claims. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Jake. Where's Jake? Help me, buddy. I got you with some Photoshop pics. You're awesome. Jake, help. Oh, boop. Did it come from my stop and then bag me? Maybe. So if it wants that little tiny fair value gap there. Man, what a butt nose. It came for the implied here. What a freaky butt nose. Okay, well. Order flow's got to engage here. Hmm. Just sit here and wait for it to want to do something, maybe, if it does. Sheesh. Now I see double equal lows here. Sam, you saying the same thing. This is a nothing burger. Nothing burger, hold the bun. Okay, be quiet, Sam.
I'm being jokingly, but this is all the markets need. They act so frivolously on this stuff.
If you're making a choice to conduct that activity,
and this is just gonna rock it.
A bank, which is inside.
This is awesome. So we didn't get the order block here, which is really lame, but that doesn't mean it's over. Yes, please go like Sam's stream. It's being really lazy, like it's working out for now, but it's just not super convincing. It's hit our order block beautifully in the fair value gap, and it's showing some sensitivity, and its order flow's good so far. This is Sam's melting. He's so funny. The 5 minute candle, just the laziest thing ever, you guys. It's Bitcoin's funner than NASDAQ today. That looks cool. depending on where this 5-minute candle closes. We'll see what's up. This is my last try here. Seem to be making a nice thing here. Yeesh. That's a little more than I want to risk. That's a little better. Well, I'm up like freaking $6,000 on Bitcoin. I was only risking $200. I lost one trade, and so that's 2R. So am I up 30R? Is that how that works? And my direction bias is correct on NASDAQ as well, only I was stopped out first. This happens, and hopefully I can get in sync with order flow without it being a complete butt face. 4, 3, 2, 1, bang. So I wanted to trade down just a little bit. If it doesn't do it, whatever. And if it drops real fast, just real quickly, I click. Yeah, thanks, babe. Rub it in. Yeah, that's my target. That's where I want to see. That's where I want to collect some money if it's offered to me. So we got 4 minutes left of this cycle here. Does it just snap all the way up right now without me? It's okay. All of you watching right now, you're all gonna do this. So get your head out of your butts. If it's there, just give it a little twist. Remove it. Okay? Guess who got the direction right? I did. Guess who got stopped out? I did. Guess who's not destroying themselves? Me. Because I know that hundreds of traders out there are trying to short on the selling pressure. It's gotta go down. Trust me, bro. Look at that. It's never going back up. This is where the sellers came in. Right? But we're a little smarter. Not much smarter. So my original take profit was here, and that's just about target freaking acquired. So you guys can journal this experience as if it was your own. Be like, I seen the direction right. I was stopped out. I didn't re-engage. I wasn't provided a model. And it feels good to not blow out and have myself destroyed, and I get to trade another day. It's our setups, even though this was actually pretty dang mint, it's not always going to be, just, oh, okay, we're going to hit the breaker, because that's what I was really playing here. We're going to hit the breaker and then just take off. That does happen a lot, but not all the time. So this is awesome. This is beautiful. We got a rejection just off that order block there. And if we can close in between this order block and this one here, I will take one more shot. So I'm measuring my gap risk. It's 156 ticks, so it's basically the same. So I'll do about half of that. The last minute of this candle is where it bugs me out, because it could just snap right up for this pool of liquidity in the very last minute. And in that case, I would just miss out, and that's okay. This takes a lot of practice to develop this. It really does. As soon as you lose a trade, and even when it does, it's even worse when it goes your direction. You view it as an act of horror, and like your best friend just stole your girlfriend, and you're immediately out for blood instead of just sitting there and letting her go. You know what I'm saying? Am I right, men? Same for ladies too, right? Man, that's tough. Do I want to use the wick, or do I want to use half the wick, or do I want to use the body, or does it just freak out without me? I don't know, man. Well, we have a shift in structure with a gap, so that's cool. Thanks. Well, I do want to try there. I do. I really do. But I'm going to wait more. That thing bugs me out right there. That candle with no tail on it, bugging. Looks like a little baby Adam and Eve forming here. What cycle are we in? Oh my gosh, that is likely the bottom of this 15-minute candle. Likely. Oh, I can't buy it as it's going up now. Jeez. Oh well. Oh well, we'll just watch it. I'll take the L today. Proudly. I'll proudly take that L. Hex. Is Hex a buck yet? What's Hex? What is Hex? I forgot all about it until it hits $5. Nah, women date men who they want. Men marry who they want. Ultimately, we have the power. Of course we do. What do you think all those animals are doing on the beach, man? Keeps getting hit off at 9 a.m. Yeah, I see that. It's trying to bust through. Ooh, it's coming back down, though. That one right there. What a freaking freak show. If it leaves the gap, I don't want it. Like, I was anticipating it was going to use half the gap. And look at it, it's being an absolute freak show. So that's it. Last shot. And then I'm shutting her down. Order flow either stays engaged or it just keeps being a prick. Boom. And that's it. That's it. 3 shots. And that's the rules. So thanks for watching me get my face kicked in one more time. And I will gather that loss like a boss tomorrow morning. God bless you guys. See you later.